So this is the correct mohon. And this one connects to the beach mohon. But this mohon is off by about 40 or 50 centimeters. So we'll just correct this. We'll move it to the proper place when we have the backhoe, because that's heavy. Anyway, we're gonna have a backhoe working on this.
For the canal.
Yeah. When we continue our development. Right now we stop because of the weather. Because the backhoe can't enter anymore. It will sink.
What is the backhoe doing? Dredging?
Well, no. Digging the ditch for
For the canal?
No, for the retaining wall. And then we used it to level kasi we dumped all that dolomite. When we dumped the dolomite, the backhoe is the one like a hand spreading it. See that we dropped several.
Where did you get?
Ilan ba lahat yan? May mga 30 lahat yan.
Saan galing yun?
Mahigit.
Saan yung tambak nyo galing?
Diyan lang. Lapit lang.
You're gonna put a culvert or just run the canal?
A culvert. And then build on top of it.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be like a bridge. See these two posts? That's the width of the road of the bridge.
Ah.
And then the car can go straight all the way here. See? And then I'm gonna put riprap retaining wall on that side across and partly here, at least until where the bridge is. See? See this one, huh? Look. See the string, this post?
Yeah.
And then see this stick, these two sticks?
Yeah,
That's retaining wall on both sides. One side, this side. And then the deepest part of the creek, that's where 2 rows of 1 meter culverts, so that the water can flow. And then on top of this, we backfill with dolomite. And then see here, it will follow. Retaining wall goes like this, oh. Then the retaining wall there goes like that, all the way to where the bridge is.
Then that you just dig it up, it flows out.
Yeah, I'll put also a retaining wall on this side, so that it's narrow lang. And then backfill, so that we recover more land area.